Okay, folks, buckle up because we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Ever imagined paying for your late-night pizza with digital coins? That's crypto for you. Basically, imagine money, but instead of being printed by governments, it exists purely online. Yeah, wild, right? It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Think of it like the Internet of Money, global, secure, and super transparent. Gone are the days of relying solely on banks. Crypto lets you take charge of your own finances. Sounds pretty empowering, right? But hold on, we're just getting started. Let's break it down further, shall we? Now, let's talk about blockchain, the backbone of cryptocurrency. Imagine a digital ledger, like a giant online spreadsheet that keeps track of every transaction. This ledger is duplicated and distributed across a network of computers. Every time someone sends crypto, it's like adding a new line to this ledger. This makes it almost impossible to cheat the system. Why? Because any change on one copy of the ledger would require changing every single copy on the entire network. Try hacking that. This technology is secure, transparent, and practically tamper-proof. Pretty impressive, huh? Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the volatility. Yeah, crypto prices can be wilder than a stand-up comedy night. One day it's skyrocketing, the next it's taking a nosedive. It's like watching a financial thriller, except you're part of the action. But hey, high risk, high reward, right? This volatility attracts traders and investors looking for the next big win. And trust me, there have been some epic wins. Remember, folks, it's all about understanding the risks, doing your research, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. So, where is this crypto train headed? Well, the possibilities are endless. From revolutionizing online payments to creating new forms of digital art and ownership, crypto is changing the game. We're talking about a future where you could buy a virtual concert ticket, or even a piece of digital real estate using crypto. The future is digital, my friends, and crypto is leading the charge. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and be a part of this exciting revolution. Share this knowledge with your friends, family, even your grandma. Let's demystify crypto, one digital coin at a time.